Hello, YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes, it is your boy Rosie, your soon-to-be #1 YouTube host, and I am in the middle of nowhere. We're at a state park, and I don't know if you've seen the video yet where we are on our way back from Georgia, and we're stopping at all the state parks, basically, that we see on the side of the road between Florida, Alabama, Mississippi, and Louisiana. So, Lady Red did not know I brought a ribeye steak with us.
Yay!
Yeah, and she has asked me to prepare it, and the only way I know how to do that is with the hot logic. So what we're gonna do is take this steak, we're gonna season her up with some salt and pepper. I think I have some onion flakes on hand. Whatever we have here in the Jeep, we're gonna put it in the hot logic, and we're gonna let her ride for about 4 hours, see what she looks like, check the temperature. If it's not ready, we'll ride until it's ready. Now, if it's not ready by the time we get to Louisiana, we just got to keep riding to Texas. Anyway, we got to ride until this steak gets ready. Now, one of the things they always say about a steak is make sure it's room temperature. Well, you can see we got ice in there. Some of the water seeped in and it froze in the ice chest. So this one is not going to be room temperature.
Is that going to make a difference?
No, some experts say it needs to be at room temperature. Some say it doesn't make a difference. We'll find out today because this is not going to be at room or state park temperature, if you will. All right, family, so we're going to go ahead and salt and pepper that right in place. Y'all know I keep my salt and pepper right here in the Jeep on what I call my spice rack. I also keep my onion flakes. Is that garlic and salt?
Hold on.
Ooh, that's
what is it?
A celery salt.
Celery salt, really?
Everywhere.
Yeah, it is.
I don't know if we want celery salt, huh?
I don't think you want celery salt on my steak.
All right, so let's go with salt and pepper.
Okay.
Liberally. Well, that's going to be big to go in a small hot logic. We're going to make it work even if we have to cut a sliver off. Remember that joke I told you about all the daughters used to cook a ham? And they would cut the end off.
Yeah.
And one day they asked their mama, why are we cutting the end off? She said, because my pot wasn't big enough.
Yeah.
They thought it had something to do with the preparation. I should have put a little oil on it, a little binder, but I think it'll be okay.
You got oil in here?
I got that butter spray olive oil.
Dad, you think we can drink some coffee?
We can. If you ain't in no hurry, we can do whatever you know. I got everything, baby.
Even though this wasn't the best spot, it turned out to be pretty nice.
Yeah, we drove 15 miles to get here, but it's nice.
Yeah, we just sitting on the back of the Jeep. We just got finished eating some meatloaf that my mom had prepared for us with some Hawaiian rolls, making us some little sliders with hot sauce.
Yep. And they were good?
They were pretty good, but now we still have how many hours, Daddy?
We got 2 hours before we get to base St. Louis, Mississippi, and about 6 hours before we get home. But that's probably going to take us about 12 hours because we're going to ride, stop all night.
Yeah, so that's what we're doing. And so far it's been pretty cool. We've seen a couple of nice spots that we stopped at.
Ooh, I forgot about the wind.
Did you see what your boy just did to my steak? Ooh, Daddy.
All right, here goes.
All right, so we are using the Hot Logic pan that had the meatloaf in it because we didn't realize that we were going to be hungry again.
I should have another pan, but
that one is the perfect fit.
We're gonna see.
You gonna leave that big?
The juice?
No, what is that? Those
just shaving from the meatloaf.
Okay.
You don't think?
No, I'm talking about what is that on top of my steak?
The onion flakes.
Oh, okay, onion flakes. All right, y'all know I'm not no cook. I'm just here watching him prepare my food.
Oh, perfect.
Perfect fit, guys. Let me get a close up. Make sure I don't fall getting out of this Jeep. Oh, nice.
Now, show them our surroundings.
It's beautiful. It's beautiful.
We're in the middle of nowhere.
Middle of absolutely nowhere.
In the back of the Jeep, fixing a steak.
Because we just ran out of meatloaf.
Gourmet life, baby.
This is his life. He loves this type of stuff.
This stuff. You know I do.
I'm trying to get to the casino, but he's taking this scenic route here. I probably won't get to go.
You will. It'll be like 12 o'clock tonight.
You're going to be so grouchy. We're not going to no casino 12 o'clock at night.
No, I'll just sleep in the Jeep. All right, y'all. I'm about to take this and dump it. because I don't know what I did with my aluminum foil. So this is not littering. I'm just dumping the meat, and the animals will take care of it.
Don't get too far out there. Y'all, we drove all the way down here to this park, and all it is a boat ramp.
Yeah, we thought we were going to see a nice boat ramp.
It is so small, guys, and so steep, and the water is so shallow. But we made the best of it, like we always do.
We always do.
And we are just out here loving life in the woods. My man is cooking me something to eat. One of these days, I'm going to cook something for him out here in the wilderness. He's laughing.
Yeah.
He's laughing. He knows better.
I'm waiting.
He knows better.
All right, here you go, baby.
Come close.
I'm going ahead and... Oh, and by the way, this tray, if y'all been around the channel for a while, when I cook those vegetable trays, the one that are thick, I save the trays. So I take these trays and repurpose them. So these are the trays that I'm using in the hot lodge
For those
now.
vegetable that you purchase from the store to be
Yes.
frozen. That's a
Yeah.
good one. That's a good one.
So those things are very doable. And especially if you want to do a long cook, those are thicker, so it takes a little while longer. So let's see what this steak, low and slow. Now here's one other thing. If say we travel 3 hours and this steak is 3/4 cooked, I'll just pull the frying pan out and I'll sear it and finish it.
Okay.
Put some butter in. I got a stick of butter in the ice chest, and we'll finish it up, fam.
Okay, that's a good one.
All right, fam. So we're gonna go ahead and close this up, get everything packed back up, take the 15-mile trek out of here, and we'll bring y'all back on the next stop. We'll check the steak, see how it's doing, and then we'll finish the rest of the video with our next state park stop. Y'all bear with us. We're all over the place, but that's what we do, baby. All right, y'all. Peace out.
Peace out. I think I'm gonna ride in the back of the Jeep now. I'm tired.
Okay, man.
If I ride in the back of the Jeep, you gonna talk about me? You are telling us. Yes, you did. You told everybody I was sleeping the whole way down here.
No, I did. We gotta find a. Oh, you know what? I keep trash bags right
Trash bags. Show them where you keep the trash bags at, Daddy. That was a good one.
Boom, right here in that little crevice. A
Little
Jeep always
crevice.
had a little crevice to open up the.
Little crevice.
Boom.
Trash bags. Nice.
Crevice.
Nice.
Ain't said that in a long time.
Hey. I think that was about me.
No, I was just talking about things in general.
Okay.
All right, let's put the salt and pepper back where it goes on my little particle board thingy majigger here. Boom. Put our trash here in the corner.
I'll put it in the front because I got some trash up
Okay,
there.
all right.
Something to drink. When we get out of here, we gotta go to a gas station or something for some potato chips.
Really?
I need them. It's my comfort food, my comfort snack.
All right, fam. It's been about 2 hours since we put our steak on. I think we're right outside of Bay Springs. Where we going? Bay St. Louis. We got about 30 minutes until we get to Bay St. Louis, Mississippi. And that's going to be our stopping point for a few hours tonight. We're going to do a little gambling, a little sleeping, and all that. But I thought we'd take a moment to check on our victim. See what we're looking like after 2 hours, 2.5 hours in the hot lodging, traveling down the road at 80 miles an hour, 70, yeah. We don't break any laws here, this or that. All right, looking good. Where is my thermometer? That is an excellent question. Let me sit y'all down for just a second. There's a thermometer in here, y'all, I promise you. Booyah! This is actually the one that my buddy gave me. This is still, oh, it's underneath the hot lodge. It's hot. Boom, still working. Like a champ. It's 130 degrees because it's sitting underneath the hot lodge.
Not the cheap one. That's not the cheap
No, this ain't the cheap one. This is the thermal works. This is the good one. All right, we got an internal temperature of 167 degrees. It's done. But it doesn't feel as tender as I thought it would. Well, let's give it a taste test. I got it. Fork, knife, trusty dusty knife. Coming out?
Make sure it's not on there. Or you want to put it on your table to cut it.
I think I cut it without cutting through that. This stuff is tough. If it's tender enough, it should cut.
Tender?
Not as tender as I like it.
Well, you still got a couple out. Let me go gamble and we just let it keep cooking.
Yep.
Is the inside, it looks done.
Yeah, it's done.
I want a smaller piece.
Check it out, fam.
Yeah, that's too fat of a piece for me.
I hear that all the time.
No, he don't.
You know where I'm hearing it from.
Tastes good.
That ain't bad.
It's tender.
That's tender, fam. Ooh, pepper. I got a healthy helping of pepper. All right, fam. We're here. Hey, all right. We're here in the parking lot of Circle K. We got people saying hello, admiring the Jeep, and telling us, and we're telling them how good the steak is. That is not bad.
Mine's need more salt.
All in the hot logic. Need more salt.
Why you put me on there?
Now, you was all into it for about 2 seconds.
Not being on camera.
Oh, I just did like that. You should have known. You all into it about 2 seconds. You're like, in the barrel. Anyway. All right, fam.
I need more salt on mine.
All right. I think we might pull in the corner now. Are you hungry? Not me, not really either. We're going to let this keep cooking, but I think she's right where she need to be.
It's delicious.
Maybe I need to cut it off and just let it rest.
Yeah, maybe let it rest.
Let it rest in there. All right, fam. You want to bring this one in for a landing?
It's pretty good.
Yeah, I think we can go ahead and bring this video in for a landing.
Don't put me on that.
I'm not. I'm pointing at this. I'm pointing at my other piece of meat. All right, fam.
She ain't as tender as me.
Oh, that's the old bitty. But anyway, all right, fam. This came out delicious. So do not count the hot logic out of your steak preparation. If I really want to make this thing a professional steak, I would go ahead and sear it. I know, right? I didn't bring the potato your mama gave us. I could have chopped those up and put them in there. Yep.
That would have been a good one.
All right, fella, we're going to go ahead and bring this one in for a landing. It's getting dark. We got about 30, 35 minutes before we reach our destination so we can do the other part of this video, the travel video. All right, family, if y'all enjoy this kind of content, y'all know what to do. Give your boy a thumbs up. If you love what we're doing here, this and that, consider becoming a subscriber. And if you do subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time we drop one of these awesome videos. Peace.